how true is not enough.
What is up, gents? This is Gent Vibe, your go-to channel for men's fashion guru. If you want tips, tricks, and acts on how to be your best every single day, tune in by subscribing down below. As all of you might have noticed, there are tens and thousands of videos out there that tell you how to dress for this occasion or that. Your first date or interview, a dinner or a bar. I think you know what I'm talking about. But have you ever asked why? Why it is absolutely necessary that you do all these? Well, it's about time that you stop asking, just because in this video I'll be talking about 5 reasons why you should always look your absolute best. And we're starting with the first reason of why you should always look your absolute best, because doing so, it's just a massive confidence booster, bro. So let me ask you something. Do you want to be that guy who sits in the same corner wearing the same clothes, looking the same way every day? Or do you want to be that bad boy in school who always looks sharp? Since you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you want to be the latter. Boys, dressing well just prevents any feeling of awkwardness or feeling of being out of place wherever you go. In effect, looking your best every single day helps you do more things, enjoy more things, and helps you feel like you're on top of the world wherever you go. So what I suggest is that you pick a style, whether it be from a YouTuber, a model, or a celebrity, because let's face it, the list literally goes on, that you can stick to and feel great in. And I guarantee you 1000% that this is going to boost up your confidence so much that it's going to change your life in a good way. The second reason why you should always look your best everywhere you go is because doing so creates a lasting and positive impact on the people around you. Now, I know that we should never ever judge a book by its cover, but unfortunately, it doesn't work like that anymore. It only takes less than a second for a person to look at you from head to toe. Then boom, you have it, a somewhat detailed judgment, whether it may be true or not, about the person that you are. I'm not saying that this is right in any case, but hey, this is reality, and guess what? We have to deal with it. Plus, like I always say, you'll never know when you'll meet the love of your life, a CEO who can grant you endless opportunities, or your future business partner. So it's always best to make sure that when you do, you're sharp and you're ready. Or look like it at least. Because when you're there, I assure you that there's no turning back. And who knows, it might make a world of a difference for you. The third reason why you should always look well is because it teaches responsibility. Let's face it, dressing well is easy, but to do it every day, well, that takes some discipline. Consistency is always key, guys. And looking your best every single day sends a loud and clear message to everybody that you're a man of responsibility who loves and knows what he's doing. This will then help you effectively gain both respect and admiration from literally everyone in your area. So if you haven't been practicing this yet, what are you waiting for? The fourth reason of why you should always look as sharp as you can be every single day is because it reflects maturity. Let me note, however, that you don't need to be old to be perceived as mature. What I mean by mature men are men who mind their own business, who aren't oversensitive about every single thing, and of course, who always look like absolute bosses wherever they go. This being said, looking your absolute best every single day just gives off the impression that you're a man of authority and respectability who calls the shots and takes charge of his own life. And it doesn't matter if you aren't that person yet today, because as everybody says, fake it till you make it, bro. The fifth and final thing of why you should always look your absolute freaking best every single day is because doing so gets the ladies. I don't think I have to explain this one. So do you think that there are other reasons of why you should always look your best every single day? If you do, make sure to let me know down in the comment section below. And also, if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, I upload every Saturday, so make sure to catch it by subscribing down below. That's it for today. 5 out, gents.